Hello everybody, this is Frankie and I'm going to show you how to properly shift your bicycle. A lot of customers complain about issues with their shifting, making noises. Part of the reason or the whole reason is that they are not shifting properly. This causes unnecessary stress on your chain and can damage it, wear it prematurely, and break the chain. Okay, so stand right here. And point to, you see the chain, how it's straight? Okay. This is, so when you're in the big chain ring, so you have 3 chain rings in the front, and you have, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? I think it's 9 actually. Okay, so when you're in the big chain ring, you can only use, this is your super high gear, this is your highest gear. You only want to use the first, I'd say 3 gears in your big chain ring, okay? See how now if see how it's going to a higher gear and you see the chain bending at an angle, that causes unnecessary stress on your chain, and that's what you call improper shifting. You should never be in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th gear in the big chain ring. This bicycle is not designed for that, okay? So I'm gonna go to the 3rd gear, go to the 4th gear, I'm gonna drop down to the middle gear. So I'm in the middle gear right now. I'm in the medium-sized chain ring in the front. So as you can see, so I'm in the 4th cog on the back. So I'm only gonna use the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, and maybe the 7th. I can use the 7th. There's a slightly rubbing on the front derailleur cage on the inner part of it, but as you can see, I'm gonna shift down to the smallest chain ring. As you can see, I'm going to the smallest chain ring. I am hearing something now. So then I'm gonna shift back down, look down, shift down again, go to the big chain ring. Now I'm in the highest gear again. Ironically, after we ended the video, I identified the unusual sound coming from the bicycle. It was the left crank arm rubbing against accessories that were attached to the seat tube of the bicycle. I do not recommend attaching accessories on the seat tube closer to the bottom of your bicycle, because they will rub against your crank arm, and I would mistaken them for some issues with the shifting. This is a 27-speed bicycle. It has 3 chain rings in the front and 9 cogs. There is a 9-speed chain on this bicycle because there are 9 cogs. When you are using the largest chain ring, you are going to use the 3 smallest cogs. When you are in the middle chain ring, you are going to use the middle cogs. Using the smallest chain ring, you will then use the largest 3 cogs. This is proper shifting and will maintain the longevity of your chain. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, because there are going to be more videos on how to fix, maintain, and ride your bicycle. This is Bosque Mobile Bicycle Repair, located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes.